Propane's Ask the Weather Team tonight. Kind of a neat question from Michael in Summit. Michael wants to know, are summers in the southern hemisphere warmer than summers in the northern hemisphere, as the Earth is closer to the sun during the southern hemisphere summer? Well, with the Earth being closer to the sun, you might think the answer is yes, that the southern hemisphere summers are in fact warmer, but that's not the case. In fact, the northern hemisphere summers are warmer if you take a global average by about 4 degrees, even though the Earth is a little bit farther away from the sun. And the reason for this is there's much more land mass across the northern hemisphere than there is across the southern hemisphere. And the way the atmosphere heats up, it's the shortwave solar radiation that moves through the atmosphere. It's absorbed by the ground. The ground then re-radiates long-wave radiation, and that radiation is absorbed by the molecules that make up the atmosphere. Those molecules move faster, and that's how we heat things up. So because there's more land in the northern hemisphere, even though we're farther from the sun, our summers are generally hotter. If you'd like to ask the Weather Team a question, best way to do it is to head to the website cbs6albany.com, click on the Ask the Weather Team link, and you can submit your questions there. I like that question.
Okay.
As long as you like that question.
Good.
We like the warmer air that's coming our way. I know that is for certain. So.
Well, summer's coming.
And we also learned for sure that you need rain for a rainbow. So there's a lot of science in tonight's
There's a lot of
show.
science, yeah. Almost too much science overload, maybe.
Is it possible?
It is possible.
Good stuff. All right.